Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps. Now let's tap on Manage Apps, so the second option, and three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter Other Settings, and here on the third position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here your device will inform you what kind of data it will actually reset, so all preferences for disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps, of course among others, we've got other options. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.